My name is Aleisha Brooks, and I'm a writing coach, and I'm a writer of several novels and screenplays, and a writer's book just for you. And I want to help you overcome writer's block for good. Hi guys, welcome back to your writer's course, Writing Beyond the Block. So I want to give you 4 tips, and it's in an acronym, M.O.R.E, M-O-R-E. The M stands for mindfulness. So mindfulness, as you must already know, is just being in the moment. You're here, you're observant, you're able to receive, right? And you're able to entertain. So mindfulness, observation, readiness, right? Ready to receive, and entertain. So E could also stand for energy. It's another tape. That's another lesson we talked about, where you're spending your energy, where you're focusing your energy. So let's talk about mindfulness. Mindfulness being in the present, okay? Not that it's wrong to look in the past and whatever. I mean, you can always pull inspiration from the past, but don't stay in the past, okay? You need to be here in the present, because when you're in the present, that's when you can attract inspiration, okay? So mindfulness, be aware. As you have seen in this day and age, everyone has the cell phones, the iPads, the this, the that. It's the technology, and that keeps us away from the present. So we really need to be mindful. If we're mindful, if we're aware, not only are we safe, and our physical spaces and our bodies are safe because we are aware, but we are also mindful of inspiration when it comes aboard, right? You know, we can welcome it aboard. Okay, observation. Observation, it is linked, obviously, to mindfulness. If you are mindful, you can observe. You can see. If you're not mindful, you're not even looking. You're looking through. And you actually need to look. Being able to look is not just saying, oh, I'm seeing. Sure, I'm seeing, there are people flying all around me, da-da-da-da-da. No, you have to really look. If you are bad at character descriptions, for an example, spend some time in a cafe and look. Just look. Watch people. Look at them pull their ears, or play with their hair, or wiggle their toes, or tap their feet, or look at how they look at other people. Look at how they talk to other people. Just be observant. Even a character trait of a person can inspire a whole book based on a character. So, like Harry Potter's scar. That's a trait. Okay. Readiness. Be prepared. This, again, is linked to mindfulness and observation. But readiness has another factor to it. Are you ready? Do you have the tools that you need to be ready? So do you have your notebook? Do you have your recorder? Do you have your phone? Do you have something where you can write down the inspired thought? That I'm always prepared. I always have something that I can write down so I can receive my inspiration. Last tip is the E, right? E for entertainment. E for energy. If it's something that entertains you, very likely it will entertain someone else. So you see something occur, right? Something happens. It inspires you. So you think, oh, wow, that was kind of entertaining. Like the other day, I was on the phone with someone, and she said something, and I was like, it made me laugh so hard. I said, I'm sorry, but I'm stealing that. And it's okay, because she's not a writer. But it was something that she said that I thought, wow, that's so real, and yet it's hilarious, and I think one of my characters in my show would say that. So, so I immediately told her, I said, okay, you know I'm stealing that because that's so perfect. So just be open to inspiration, be observant, be mindful, be ready, and most of all, be entertained. Be entertained because all around you is entertainment. I mean, life is full of entertainment. Life is full of amazing, incredible, funny, sad, lonely, horrified, all sorts of things that are going on around us. And we can take that and put it into our books and our screenplays and songs. And this is what makes entertainment, because reality makes entertainment. The other thing is, as I mentioned, you could call this energy. So again, using energy to focus on what you're doing while you're doing it, and not something else while you're trying to do it, is a good way to stay inspired. Okay? All right, see you next time. Bye. If this video has inspired you and you'd like to know more, send me a message below.